is lunchtime. It's time to make some lunch. So I'm gonna make an healthy lunch. If you're not a fan of raw garlic, then you don't need to add raw garlic or raw onions into it. But me personally, I love raw garlic and raw onions. So my favorite salad to make is raw garlic, is garlic, onions, tomato, black pepper, and some squeeze of lemon juice. I love those. But today I'm adding avocado into the mixture. I'm just trying to like switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna make a lot because I also want the kids to have some when they're back from school. So this is like a very healthy lunch. I love eating healthy generally. Sometimes I have 1 or 2 days that I'm like, off track, but majority 99% of the days I like eating healthy. I like homemade food. I like homemade food. I like going to the restaurant and eat, but I like also homemade food. Once in a while I like to take myself out to the restaurant and eat something, but majority of the time I like homemade food because I just want to know everything that it's in what I'm eating. I want to know everything that I'm eating. I want to know it's healthy, it's well prepared. So yeah, and instead of eating junk food for lunch or eating candies or eating all this unhealthy stuff out there, I prefer to just make something easy at home. And salad is one of the most simple things. You can eat this one with bread, you can eat this with those biscuits. I don't know how to call this in English, but you can eat it with so many things, and you can also eat it on its own. You don't always have to eat it with beschrijt. That is beschrijt. I don't know the English word. Okay, sometimes the Dutch and the English just just mix together, and it's crazy. It is what it is. Anyway, so you can eat it with bread. You can toast a bread and eat it. You can buy this bread that we called pistolet brooches. You can cut it into slight pieces and then rub some butter and then bake it. Put it in a toasty apparatus and let it toast apparatus and let it toast, and then you can eat it with the salad. It's really, really healthy. But I wanted to eat it with biscuits because I love it. I love it with biscuits. It's much more delicious. So now I'm just adding my avocado. I'm gonna use all the avocado because, like I said, I want the kids to also have some because I don't have energy to make extra food when they come. So at least this is gonna be enough for lunch so they can eat it with toast bread because my daughter likes to eat it with toast bread. That's what she likes. She likes to toast the bread and then eat it like that. So it's even delicious. Everyone has their own way of eating it, but I just like it like that. And make sure that the avocado is really, really ripe. I got this one from the Lidl. It's ripe. It's good. It's always different. The avocado, whenever I get avocado from the Lidl or the Albertine or the Aldi, it's always different from the ones I get from the African store, the big green one. Those ones are really, really sweet. This one is not bad, but it's not the same taste with those ones. Those ones are really sweet. Those ones are really nice. But yeah, I don't live in the city, so I don't really have energy to always go to the city to buy avocado just because I want to eat it. So I'll just manage what I have. But this one is also very delicious. Honestly speaking, it is delicious, but there is difference within the avocado and all of that. So now I've mixed everything together. I'm going to take some of my kruiden. I don't know I don't know. I forgot the English name. Basil leaf and pasty. Oh my god, I forgot the English names. Anyway, you guys know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna add some it's like in the leaf family, the rosemary leaf, the bay leaf, and I like to add all of those things into my salad. Yeah, it's not something you need to add, but it's just how I like it. This is just how I like it. I like to add all of those things, and I really enjoy making stuff like this. Honestly speaking, I enjoy. Now I'm going to cut my lemon into a piece, and I hope it doesn't have seed. I'm trying to like catch all the seeds, but this lemon doesn't have seed. I've noticed that now most of the lemon that I'm buying, they don't have seed. I'm like, why? Why the lemons don't have seed? But anyway, so I'm just mixing everything, and then I'm gonna add some black pepper. I just like to add the lemon to give it a little bit of that sour taste because I like it. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper in it as well. So you guys can see me, I'm tasting it. It tastes delicious. It tastes really delicious. Some days I can eat this all by myself, but today I was consciously thinking, okay, the kids are coming back, So at least let me just leave something for them because I don't have energy to get up and do something else. So yeah, that's why I was thoughtful. I was very, very thoughtful and mindful. So now I made my salad. Salad is ready, and I'm going to take my biscuit. I'm going to place it, and then I'm going to make the yogurts because I love yogurt as well. I love yogurts. Oh, it's so delicious. So here I have my yogurt. I got this yogurt from the Lidl. No, from the Jumbo, sorry. From the Jumbo. I really, really love this yogurt, but I love it because you can also add your own stuff. You can add some fruit if you want. You can eat it like that if you want to, but I like to decorate it a little bit. When it comes to food, for me, it's not only about the taste. Presentation matters. Sometimes a food can taste so delicious, but if it's not presented the right way, I don't have taste. Like the hunger will just disappear. So I always like to present when I'm making my food. I always like to present it very nice because sometimes I get like comments on my YouTube channel. Someone's like, "You're making the food as if you're going to serve someone special." And I'm like, "I am special. Me myself, and I'm a special person. So definitely, I'm gonna serve myself as I'm a special person. You gotta treat yourself right. You're not gonna sit down and wait for someone to come and treat you right. I treat myself right. If I like to present, I like to serve myself like the way you will serve someone. You don't always treat someone's better and then forget about yourself. So I like to treat myself better. I like to serve myself. I like to present things for myself. So I like to take care of myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna add fruits. I didn't have a lot of fruits in the house, but I have this fruit. I don't know the English name. Yeah, the English name is coming. I thought of it just now, but then it's off my mind. But anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna add some fruit, and here is everything. And now I'm gonna sit down in the living room and do Netflix and chill. It was delicious. If you really have time, try it. It's really, really delicious. It's really healthy, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, this was it. Hope you all like it. Peace out. Bye.